Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to set up an OTG on-the-go connectivity on your Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. This can be useful if you want to connect a USB flash drive or another USB device to your phone's Type-C port. So in order to do that, open up your settings, scroll down to your About Phone section, click on it. Now find your software information section. Here it is. Click. So here you see your build number section. So click on it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now your developer mode is activated. So let's go back to our menu. And now as the last option, we can find our developer options. So click here. So now we are on. Now into your developer options, scroll down until you find the networking section. Let's find it. Here it is. Now here find your default USB configuration. Here it is. Tap here. So let's set it onto transferring files. Now it's set. The second way to do this is to open up your developer options once again. Scroll down until you'll see your USB debugging. Here it is. And simply toggle the switch on. Press OK. Now it's on. So the third way to do this is to open up your phone application, enter the code. So it is *A0808#. Now you see your MTP menu. So select MTP as it is already selected and simply press OK. So now your Samsung Galaxy A15 is ready to support OTG connections. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.